In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Outlook. To get started, open Monday.com and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want this integration to happen, since the connection will be set up from inside a specific board. If you manage multiple workspaces or boards, it's a good idea to quickly confirm you're in the right place before moving on. Once you're inside Monday.com, choose the board you want to connect to Outlook. In this example, we're using the sales pipeline board, but you can select whichever board makes the most sense for your workflow. This step is important because integrations in Monday.com are often board-specific, so the board you open here is the one that will use the Outlook connection. After opening the correct board, look for the Integrate option and click it. This is where Monday.com lets you connect the board with other apps and services. If you've never used integrations before, this area is essentially the control center for automations and app connections that help streamline your work. Inside the integrations area, find Outlook and select it. You may need to browse or search depending on how your interface appears. Take your time here and make sure you choose Outlook specifically, since Monday.com offers several email and communication-related integrations. Next, click Connect. This starts the authorization process between Monday.com and your Microsoft Outlook account. At this point, Monday.com is preparing to link the two platforms so they can work together more smoothly. You'll then be taken to the Microsoft sign-in page. Sign into your Outlook account and continue through the prompts to approve the connection. Depending on your Microsoft setup, you may be asked to confirm permissions before the integration is completed. Read through those prompts carefully so you understand what access is being granted. Once you finish the sign-in process, the connection should be completed successfully, and Outlook will now be linked to your Monday.com account through that board. If the connection doesn't appear right away, give it a few moments and check whether the authorization window needs one final confirmation, and that's it. You've successfully connected Monday.com to Outlook. This can make it much easier to keep your communication and task management aligned in one workflow. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.